your friend to us? You know,
I know.
Very good to us.
Yes.
So, I want you to know. I would like you to know that RG is not a good friend.
I've been punk.
Oh shit. That's a joke. That's a joke.